Hey, welcome back guys to another episode of The Rapping Chef. And again, this is episode 2 of Hello Good Morning with the Chef. Like my last video, I told you we will be preparing omelets. The omelet of choice is a French omelet. So all you omelet lovers that don't like to flip or you cannot flip, you might want to watch this video. So stay tuned. As I say, Jeffrey, would you cue the intro? Guys, so basically today I will be teaching you how to make a French omelette. The French people are the first set of people that perfected the art of cooking eggs in various ways. Let's get to the main show. I'm not a breakfast eating person that much, but if I do, I want a nice omelet. So for today's omelet, our choice of filling Roma tomatoes, and also I use some yellow onions. It's always good. I love the acidicness of the yellow onions when it comes to omelets. And also I did mushrooms, and I did peppers, and I did some spinach. Spinach goes well in your omelet. So just to start, again, you are going to need a non-stick pot for this task. And also I always use olive oil in my cooking. Bring the heat up to 300. So now we're going to saute all the filling that we had prepped. You're not going to mix it in all in your omelet. You're going to saute it translucent and put that aside, and or scrape it out, wash your pot out, and we're going to reuse that pot. In this case, we are using a 8-inch omelet pan, which I think is make a perfect omelet. After using olive oil, you're gonna grab 2 fresh eggs, or you could use pasteurized whipped eggs, but for me I like the fresh eggs. And then what you do next is you beat the eggs, add it to the pot, spread it out widely. The art of cooking any omelets is just basically get the liquid off the top. So what's on the top, you try to push it underneath the surface of the pot so it cooks, so the top will remain dry. If your egg liquid is not moving around, you can always use your spatula to scrape it to the side and push it underneath the bottom of the egg to allow that to cook. You don't want to turn up your stove. You don't want to turn it up too much. Just keep it at the same consistent heat, maybe 300 or a little 250. When you get excess liquid off the top, what we are going to do, we're going to add all the fillings that you have to it, add your cheese, and then the French omelet is basically 2 rolls. If you can squeeze 3 rolls in there, it's even better, but this one I did 2 rolls due to the size of my pan and the size of the omelet. If it's a bigger omelet pan, you can get 3 rolls. In this case, we only had 2 rolls, and basically that is the end of the omelet. You can heat it up, so let the cheese melt a little bit, and your omelet is served. With my breakfast, what I had the sourdough bread. Sourdough has come a long way. I like the texture of it, the flakiness of it, so I pretty much sear it in some olive oil, add a little bit of cheese on top of it, and I enjoy that with a great chamomile tea. That's my favorite brand, with a slice of lemon, and I enjoy my breakfast, and I hope you enjoy your breakfast. Remember guys, if I entertain you, if you like my art, if you like the video, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon. That's how you will get notification whenever I post. I vow to post every week. This is episode 2 of Hello Good Morning with the Chef. Hey, remember, hit like, subscribe, and share, and do hit that bell icon to get notification when I post. It's the Rapping Chef.